how to set up subscriptions on TikTok. So if you want to set up subscriptions on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, you will get this kind of interface, right? Now you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom right. And from your profile, you need to just simply go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. And you will have TikTok Studio option. You need to tap on TikTok Studio, and it will land us to a new page where you can see that there are different options over here. So if you want to simply set up subscriptions over here, you need to scroll down and then you will see an option of monetization. Under that, you will find the subscription option. So tap on subscriptions. As you do that, you'll be able to see a new page where you can see how you can get subscribed to, or how you can be subscribed over here in order to start monetizing as well. So there are certain eligibility criteria that you must fulfill in order to be subscribed or in order to get the subscription over here. So you can wait for a while if the page isn't loading. Now, if you scroll down, then as you can see that you will have the eligibility, which is in my case, you need to be at least 18 years old, and then you need to have at least 10,000 followers, and you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last calendar month, and you need to meet our community guidelines and create your code of conduct. So in my case, I have two criterias done, but I don't have 10,000 followers, and neither do I have the video views. So once you have all of these, then you will be eligible, and then you will be able to go with join subscription, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be able to set up subscriptions on your TikTok. So proceed with the following steps, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.